Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Java object as return type to a method. So first of all, what is this return type to a method? So method is a block of code which is used to perform some task or work in a Java program. And these methods have return type and return value. Okay, so this return value, okay, is given back to calling method. So whichever is the calling method, that return value will be going back to the calling method. And generally the calling method is main method, because from main method we create an object of a class and call different methods of classes, right? So if any method returns class object reference, okay, then in calling method it should be assigned to same class object reference. For example, let us take m1 method. So m1 method is returning class A object reference as return type. So we have to return this in the body of the program like this: return obj2, where obj2 is of type class A obj2. Okay, so the return type of obj2 is class A, hence the return type of m1 is class A type. Now come to the main method. So in main method I'm going to call m1 method. So it will go to the m1 method and then return obj2. So obj2 will be assigned to obj1. So obj2 will be assigned to obj1. So this is object as return type, or return type as class type. Okay, right. So when we do this here, obj1 equals to obj2, it means that in memory both obj1 and obj2 refers or points to the same object, and technically this is called as object reference variable assignment. Okay, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Java object as return type example 1. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. I'm taking class A. Okay, so class A, two data members X, Y, and one display method. So inside the display method we are displaying the values of X, Y data members using println method. Now come to the main class. Java object as return type example 1 with main method, and save this program in our working directory. So program execution starts with main method. So in main method I'm calling first m1 method. So m1 method is a static method, main method is also static method, both belongs to the same main class. So we can call m1 method directly inside the main method. So it will go to the m1 method. In the m1 method we are creating an object of class A, obj2. So obj2 will be pointing to object, actual object in the memory, right? So obj2.x 11, obj2.y 22. So obj2.x 11, y 22, and then using obj2 in m1 method. Okay, so using obj2 in m1 method I'm saying obj2.display. So it will go to the display and display the values of x, y, 11, 22. And then after that I'm saying return obj2. Okay, so when you say return obj2, this obj2, okay, will come to the calling method and obj2 will be assigned to obj1. Okay, right, and after that system.out.println using obj1 in main method. When I say obj1.display, what happens? So this is important for us. So here when obj2 is assigned to obj1 in memory, okay, obj1 also points to the same object x11 y22, object reference variable assignment. So using obj1 in main method, when we say obj1.display, we'll get the same values of obj2 11 22. So let us try to compile and run this program. Open the command prompt, go to the command prompt. Okay, right, so compile Java object as return type example 1.java. Okay, right, .java as extension. So compile it. So no errors on successful compilation, and then we will run it. Java object as return type example 1. So using obj2 it is 11 22 in m1 method, and after return obj2 in main method using obj1 also it is 11 22. So both are pointing to the same object in the memory. Now let us try to print object reference code of both the object references. So in m1 method we will print obj2, okay, and then in main method also we will print obj1, and let us check what is the object reference code of both obj1 obj2. So open the command prompt, recompile it, no error, and then run it. So in m1 method the object reference of obj2 is class A @31BEFD9F, and again back in the main method the object reference code of obj1 is class name @31BEFD9F. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to work with object as return type to a particular method in a class, and that return type we give it with class name. Okay, so Java object as return type to a method. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.